All right, we're ready. Let's do it. So this is the first unrolling of the X9 life-size ADU plan. If you'd like to have one in your yard, you give us a call. We'll come roll it out in your yard, and you can see what it's going to be like. And you can walk through it. No more guessing looking at a standard size plan on a little 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. You can walk your ADU. Here you go. All right, gonna walk in the front door right here. I'm in the front door, boom. Got my nice living room, sit on my couch, my kitchen, sit on my island. Got my washer and dryer right here, queen size bed. Got my nice big bathroom, come in here. Master bath. Queen size bed there. And I got my covered porch in the back. It's awesome. Now you can really walk your house. Then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take it over setting the space. We're gonna lay it out in the warehouse, and we're gonna put real furniture in it, and you can walk around, and we're gonna stage it so you can really feel what it's like. You wanna build an ADU, you give us a call. We're gonna bring this to your house, lay it on the yard, and you can walk your own house. And remember, just build, baby. That thing is pretty cool.